Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be sharing you about the fundamentals of data types used in Python. So let's start. First of all, there are four types of data types in Python. They are int data type, there will be a float data type, there will be a string data type, and there is a complex data type. Now the int data type is initialized in the following way. I'll be using a variable name a to store my values. So a is equal to 10. This will be your variable used and the variable a will store the value 10. So variable a is an int data type variable. The float data type is a data type which stores decimal point numbers or values. So say for example a is a variable name which will store the value 1.12. So this will be a float data type. For your string data type, you will be storing words. So say for example if I store hello, if I want to store any word, so will be a string data type which stores the value hello, which is inserted inside double quotations. And finally, we have the complex data type which stores complex numbers. Now, what are complex numbers? If I have a variable a, it stores 9 plus 8 j. So this is a complex number which is stored inside the variable a. So that's it for today. In the next video, I will be covering more data types on Python. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.